Hi friends, once again welcome to our channel. Actually, I'm getting a lot of call from my colleagues and friends that which stock I am going to take next. Actually, in my plan, I am going to take Infratel as my next choice. Uh, Actually, tomorrow is a Bihar election counting, but then also Dow Jones you can watch just now. Dow Jones opens more than that of 5%, so it is giving me a little bit of confidence for going into a trade. So my target will be Infratel, and actually I am taking this Infratel for a short term, for a short period, because almost all stocks were in its high. So Infratel needs to move. As per my uh, calculation, it should reach minimum 185 to 190 range. That is my target. Actually, tomorrow I am going to enter into Infratel, uh, and I will just hold this stock for a return of minimum 10 to 20,000 rupees. So I think it is a wonderful opportunity in Infratel, and I can only suggest this stock only because actually most of the stocks were in its upper limit. So by taking trade in an upper limit stock, it is always danger. So always it is preferable to take a trade on a lower range, and Infratel is at a lower range. So it is I think it will be safe for me. I personally will take trade. I will not tell anybody that this stock is good, this stock is good. I personally take trade in this. Only that kind of stocks I will only discuss here. So Infratel is my next target. Actually, many of my friends were asking continuously, tell me one stock, tell one stock, tell one stock. Everybody is asking. So, and my humble request to you all is that please play and please invest small amount. Even if you are starting the share market, and if you are a beginner, please start with a small amount. Try to make 10,000 to 12,000. After getting a little bit of confidence, then only go for big amount. Even if you are directly, if you are going for big amount, the loss will be very higher. Even if you are having that much of confidence, then only invest big amount. Always start with small amount. Try to study the movement of the stock, then only go for biggest investments. Actually, in my early times, so I also lost a lot of money. So I learned a lot of things. That's why I'm starting this kind of review of stocks, because nowadays my success rate is almost nearly 100%. So that gives me the courage to come and tell regarding these stocks in a YouTube channel. So anyway, actually this is not for one day stock, and I want to hold it for some more time. So this is one of the best stock. Anyway, always try to start with a small amount. Even if you are an expert only, then only try with big amount. Otherwise it is always risky in share market. Anybody cannot assure you 100%, because I can assure you I cannot assure you 100%, because actually if there is any sudden fall, we don't know what will happen tomorrow. Even if there is any heart attack for our prime minister, president, if something is happening, if some attack is going towards Joe Biden, the market will go down drastically, because we are kind of people, we are retailers. The news which will reach us very late. So whenever we are getting these kind of news that our stock will go drastically down, it will not respect any technical chart in that kind of occasions. In normal occasions, we can almost predict that it will go up, it will go down. But when this kind of crisis occurs, nothing will work in market. So always have a glance on the news channel, CNBC. That kind of news channel is very very much of helpful. Always have a glance on that. Even if there is any kind of negative comments which is coming in through the news, please exit. Even if it is a loss also, please exit. Don't hesitate to exit. Even if you are loss of 2,000 rupees, then also just exit and go away. Because if that 2,000 rupees, even you are holding, if you're hanging that particular trade for some more time, that 2,000 will become 20,000, we become 30,000. So it will be a huge loss for you people. So even if it is a loss also, if it is in a minimum margin, just please exit. Don't hesitate. If a trade your decision is going against you, don't hesitate to exit. So it is a safe way. Always put a stop loss. You always try to put a stop loss while doing any trade. As your mind, you set a stop loss, that how much loss that you can suffer, that you can afford that kind of stop loss. Always put it in your mind, because every time we cannot give assurance in 100 percentage, because if there is any drastic down in the market, nobody can predict this kind of drastic down. In normal case, it will respect our technical chart, it will go as per our technical chart, that infratel 176 is the strongest support, and 178 range is the strongest buying range, and it will go to 180, 183 is the again resistance. This kind of things will only work in normal conditions, but in drastic condition, tomorrow actually Bihar counting is there. We don't know what will be the reason, but anyway Dow Jones is opened at very high. You can watch in the European market FTSE, which also opened closed nearly 5%. So we can expect a good hike in our market also. So this is my next talk. Actually, I don't have enough time to come into the channel for the next week, so Infratel will be my last stock for this week. So anyway, thanks for all. Always be cautious in market whenever you are doing any particular trade. Please spend your time on the TV screen. Go with CNBC, and always have a glance on almost all the news, and get updated, and don't be greedy also. Please don't be greedy. Even if you are getting a 10 to 20,000 rupees profit, just exit. Don't hesitate to exit. That was which has happened with me in Cipla also today. So learn from the mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Even if you are if you are facing a mistake, that's good. Even if you are getting a profit from a trade, you will not learn much. Even if you are losing some money, you will learn a lot. So losing also a good learning opportunity for almost all people. So in losing also, try to study lot. No problem. When you are losing also, always be smile. Even if you are losing also, don't be panic, and don't be angry. Mainly don't be angry. Many of my friends, they were angry even if they were losing 10,000 rupees. The next day they think that they have to make 20,000, they have to make 30,000, and the unlogical trade they will enter, and they lose suffer of 50,000. Next day 1 lakh, then next day 2 lakh. So don't be angry. Always be calm. Be sure on your trade. Always the market will not go anywhere, market will be here, so don't worry. So take trade as per your knowledge only, as per the level only. Don't rush into the trade, and market will not go anywhere. Anyway, thanks for all. Please subscribe. Even if everybody is not subscribed, please subscribe, and please share with your friends, so that we can help everyone. So thanks all once again. Signing off.